Hi, everybody. How are you today? This is great. Welcome to That NASA Show. This is an exciting half hour about fashion. Space fashion, that's very difficult to say. Space fashion. Space fashion.
For the hair, there's a rinseless shampoo that is applied, rubbed in, and wiped off with a towel.
Space fashion.
Toilets are equipped with footholds, and both men and women can urinate standing up with the aid of a funnel.
This is madness. It's a fake.
It was so beyond belief that I said, I can't believe this.
Conspiracy theories.
Let us never tolerate outrageous conspiracy theories.
Oh, okay.
It would be so nice if something would make sense for a change.
Remember, there was a beautiful piece of footage from the Apollo 15 mission where the astronauts demonstrated the surface gravity on the moon by holding a hammer in one hand and a feather in the other. Now, it was proved in physics a long time ago that objects fall at the same speed. It doesn't matter how heavy they are. If you do this experiment on the moon, they both fall together. There's this piece of footage that shows this done. And sure enough, they both fall together. And that proves immediately that this experiment was done in a vacuum. But more than that, the two objects fall slowly. They fall 6 times faster on the Earth because gravity is stronger. You see them fall slowly on the moon.
And so we thought we'd try it here for you. The feather happens to be appropriately a falcon feather for our falcon.
And I'll drop the two of them here, and hopefully they'll hit the ground at the same time. How about that?
This is also a very difficult image to fake.
Well, actually, it isn't at all difficult to fake. NASA itself would repeat the very same trick, this time officially in the 1999 story From the Earth to the Moon. This time the astronaut held the hammer the other way up, so that we could see it was not the same fakery as the first time. Of course, that original demonstration by Apollo 15 doesn't in any way prove that it had taken place on the moon. Before NASA reenacted the whole thing officially, we had already conducted our own experiment. Here we are in our London studio in 1G, complete with an atmosphere. There they go. As you can see, the feather and the hammer arrive on the ground at the same time. Now if we slow it down by the appropriate amount, lo and behold, these two items fall nice and slowly as per a 1/6 G environment. This illusion is all about calibration.
It worked.
Light.
Okay. Touch light is in the camera box. Touch light is in the camera box. Right here.
Yeah, we'd like to confirm that that camera battery is...
Okay, well, crew bus is done. John's got a long way to go, Tony, before he gets that thing reeled in. drive, John. Charlie. 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 Charlie.
We'll install a protective plate over that location that will be flush to the, over that location that will be flush.
Daddy!